Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the lab session. So, in a previous lab, I guess we have completed the making change problem, right? So, in today's lab session, we are going to start with the new topic, which is a knapsack problem, right? So, you already know what is knapsack problem. Tell me, everyone. Do you know what is a knapsack problem? Tell me, do you know what is knapsack problem? What is knapsack problem? Anyone can answer what is knapsack problem? Already we have studied this part in a lecture session. Anyone can give me the answer? Hello, am I audible? Yes or no? Am I audible or not? Hello, am I audible or not? Give me respond in a chat box. Hello. Hello, am I audible? Give me the response in a chat box. Why you people are taking that much time? Just tell me what do you understand by knapsack problem? Or what is a knapsack problem? What will be the given? What will be given in the example? Anyone can tell me? Richa, can you tell me what is knapsack problem? Richa, are you there? Yes or no? Why you people are not responding me? Is there any problem? Just respond me there so that I can teach you. At least respond me. Okay, fine. All of you can leave your session. I will not take this session. If you don't want to respond, then I will not take you at attendance. I will not give you the session. Last I'm telling you, if are you able to give me the response or not? So just tell me now how I'm supposed to get this, whether I'm getting whether you are getting my voice or not. You have to tell me everything, no? If you are not telling me, then how I'm supposed to tell you? Let me rejoin the meet. Now am I audible? Okay, so tell me what is a knapsack problem? What do you understand by knapsack problem? What will be given in a knapsack? Tell me what will be given in the knapsack problem. Quickly tell me the answer. Why you people are taking this much time? Kunj, Kunj, are you there? Can anyone give me the answer or not? What is a knapsack problem? What will be given in the example? Some batch have already studied this in a session, lab session. Those people can speak. We have already covered in the lecture session also. Still, you people are not able to give me the answer.
Ma'am, we will be given some numbers with its particular value.
Okay. And what is our goal?
We need to find the total of something, I guess.
as
Okay.
large as possible.
Okay. See, you can track your record. You just see within before 2 days we have completed this topic and still you are not able to remember anything from knapsack problem. So you can track down your records, right? Like you people are not able to remember anything. So based on your these answers, just check your status of the last subject and try to prepare for the mid semester. As I already told you, if you do not do the practice, you are not able to clear the exam. And I want 100% result in this subject. Fine. Because I am putting my 1000% and you are not putting even your 1%. Okay, fine. Let me start this knapsack problem. Everyone, how to be present here. At any point of time, if anyone is not able to answer me, I will remove from the meet. I will not give you the attendance. Make sure everyone is here only and give me the response. Otherwise, don't expect attendance from this lab session. You have to be serious for this study. See, here we are having a knapsack problem, which is called as a 0-1 knapsack. And basically, what is a knapsack problem? Let's say we are having a bag with some capacity, right? And we want to find out, let's say we will be given some items with some weight and their profit. Our main goal is what? We have to find out the maximum profit. We will choose only those items which is having the maximum profit. Fine. And then we have to check the capacity of bag. We will pick those items whose weight is either less or equals to capacity of bag, plus we will see the maximum profit. These two conditions you have to check in a knapsack problem. Now see, knapsack problem can be solved using multiple approaches. One is a dynamic approach, greedy approach, backtracking, branch and bound. These four approaches we can use to solve the knapsack problem. You have to remember the name. Based on the name only we are going to solve the questions, right? Now 0-1 knapsack means what? 0-1 means we are using a dynamic approach and name of the algorithm is 0-1 knapsack. It means you are selecting the item or not selecting item at all. We are not dividing the weight. We are not dividing the item. That is the main goal. So here what will be given? Let's say n items will be given with some weight. Some profits will be there. Our goal is to maximize the profit. And weight of items is less than or equals to total capacity of bag, and here the capacity of bag will be given, right? This will be given in the example. We have to find out the maximum profit. Okay, so let me take one example here. Let's say items will be given, weights will be given, profits will be given. Let's say item will be 1 2 3 4, weights are 2 3 4 5, profit is 3 4. 5, 6. And capacity of bag is 5 kg. We how to find out the maximum profit? What we will do? We will build the table. Fine. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And again here we will set from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be starting from here. J is starting in this direction. Weights and profit. Weights will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Profit will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now the formula you have to remember. Let's say you will fill this table of V, I, comma J. When I is equals to 0, J equals to 0, you will put 0. When J is less than Wi, if this J value is less than the weight, you will copy the above cell value. If J is greater than or equals to Wi, then you will find out the max of above cell value. Then you will add some profit plus I minus 1, J minus Wi. This is the formula, right? So first we will start with the formula. I is equals to 0, J equals to 0. You will put 0, 0, 0, 0. Also you will put 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, see here. I want to fill this table. 1, comma 1. Weight is 2. J is 1. So 1 is less than 2. Condition true. Copy the above cell value. Okay, copied. Next. Next cell I want to fill is what? 1, comma 2. So 2 is equals to 2. Condition true. You will use the formula. Use a formula max of V. I minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0, comma 2. Profit associated with item 1, that is 3, plus V of I minus 1, 0. J is 2. Weight is 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So 0, comma 2. 0 throw second column. Answer is a 0. 3 plus 0th column 0 throw. Answer is a 0. The maximum is 3. So here I will put 3. और in another words you can say, अगर आपके पास बैग की कैपेसिटी क्या है 2 kg और मेरे पास एक आइटम है 2 kg का, क्या मैं उसमें डाल सकती हूँ? Yes, I can put that item in a bag. If I am able to put it in a bag, then what will be the maximum profit I am getting? That is 3 only, right? Fine. जब 2 kg के बैग में 2 kg का आइटम डाल सकते हैं, तो 3 kg के बैग में 2 kg का आइटम डाल सकते हैं क्या? Yes. Then profit will be the 3 only. 4 में भी डाल सकते हैं, 5 में भी डाल सकते हैं, right? So it will be 3, 3, 3. Using formula also we will calculate it. V of 1, comma 3. Max of V. I minus 1, 0, comma 3. Profit is 3. 1 I minus 1 will be 0. 3 minus 2, it will be 1. So 0th row, wherever there is a 0th row, answer is a 0 only. Okay. So V 1, comma 4. 0 minus 0, comma 4. 3 plus V 0, comma 2. So I guess this is clear. How we will solve it. 1, comma 5. Last cell you have to fill. Above cell value 0, comma 5. Profit is 3. I minus 1, that is a 0. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So max of 0, comma 3 plus 0 will be 3 only. Right? Now weight is 3. Till 2 will copy the above cell value. Fine. Now 3 equals to 3. You have to calculate. Okay. Using formula 2, comma 3. We will calculate. Now you just see at the second row we are having 2 items with weight 2 and weight 3. We have to pick maximum profit. 2, comma 3. I minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 3. Profit here is 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 3, it will be 0. 1, comma 3. 1, comma 3. Value is 3. 4 plus 0. Out of 3 and 4, 4 is maximum. So here I will pick. हाउ वी विल गेट द 4 हियर? मेरे पास 3 केजी का कैपेसिटी है, अगर मैं 2 केजी का आइटम डालती हूँ तब मेरे पास प्रॉफिट है 3, अगर मैं 3 केजी का आइटम डालती हूँ तो मेरे पास प्रॉफिट है 4. सो कौन सा आइटम डालूंगी तो मुझे मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट मिलेगा 3 केजी का, राइट? सो प्रॉफिट विल बी व्हाट? 4. नाउ फॉर 4 अगेन द सेम थिंग, 2 kg का भी पॉसिबल है, 3 kg का भी पॉसिबल है. सो इफ वी इंक्लूड 3 kg देन प्रॉफिट विल बी 4. Now for 5 kg, tell me what will happen here for the 5 kg. What will happen in the 5 kg? Which items I can insert such that it will increase my profit? Where is 4?
10, 2, both 1, 1.
Both items you can include, right? 1 and 2. 2 because बैग की कैपेसिटी क्या है 5 kg. अगर मैं दोनों आइटम डालती हूँ तो टोटल वेट क्या हो रहा है 5 kg. सो ये दोनों डाल सकते हैं तो प्रॉफिट विल बी व्हाट? 3 plus 4, that will be 7. Okay. Using formula, let us calculate 2 comma 5. 2 minus 1, it will be 1 comma 5. 4 plus v of 1 minus 5 comma weight is 3. So it will be 1 comma 5 is 3. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is what? 3. So out of 3 and 7, which one is maximum? 7 is maximum. Now, for weight 4, what you will do? You will copy the above cell value till 3. Now, the rest of the table you have to fill by yourself. Generally, you have to calculate only 3 cell values. That's it. So everyone complete this example within 5 to 10 minute time. Okay, everyone has to complete this example. So yes, everyone has solved the example. What is the answer? What is the answer of this question? What is the maximum profit you are getting? Can anyone tell me what is the maximum profit you are getting? Write down in the chat box. Yes, Rahil.
9.
I'm not able to hear you properly. Write down your answer in the chat box.
9, 9.
9. I guess 9 is not the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Somewhere you have done the mistake. Let me solve it for you.
Ma'am, yes, I did it roughly. I didn't do it in a paper or something.
So how we have done it? How whenever I have already asked you. Whenever you are attending the dash session, you have to keep your pen and paper ready with you.
Yeah, ma'am. Today I'm not at my home, that's why.
ओके फाइन सो सी हियर मेरे पास 4 kg का बैग है मेरे पास 3 ऑप्शन है 2 kg 3 kg एंड 4 kg तीनों में डाल सकती हूँ एक एक बारी राइट अगर 2 kg का ले रहे तो प्रॉफिट है 3 का लिया तो प्रॉफिट है 4 और 4 का लिया तो प्रॉफिट है 5 व्हिच वन इज मैक्सिमम 5 is maximum for 5 kg obviously you just see 3 plus 2 it will give you the 7 so 7 is the maximum now weight is 5 till 4 we will copy the both cell value 5 kg का मेरे पास अगर मैं डालती हूँ तो प्रॉफिट है 6 और अगर 2 plus 3 डालती हूँ तो मेरे पास प्रॉफिट है 7 so it will be 7 so this is your final answer how you will backtrack यहाँ पे गए यहाँ पे भी गए ऊपर भी सेम है ऊपर भी सेम है now when value is changed you have to keep it here okay now profit 7 है यहाँ पे profit क्या है 4 7 minus 4 equals to 3 you will redirect to this pointer is redirected to this means you have to select the item 3 take the above value there is 3 above value is a 0 so now from this 3 minus 3 it will be 0 so 0 is here now go above you have to select this item once you reach to 0 you have to stop so you just see here 2 items you have selected 1 and 2 so how you will write down 1 and 1 this 1 2 is selected 3 4 is not selected profit is what 7 and weight is what 2 plus 3 equals to 5 fine so this is the example you have solved this is the final answer now
Ma'am, can you explain again how to backtrack?
sorry
Can you please explain
backtrack
again that
how to backtrack
how to
okay see
Yes.
this is your final answer right 7 ऊपर क्या है 7 है अगेन ऊपर जाओ 7 ऊपर जाओ क्या है 3 so ये 7 यहाँ से नहीं मिला ऊपर की रो में से नहीं मिला है तो पॉइंटर विल बी हियर नाउ प्रॉफिट इज 7 हियर 7 है यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट क्या है 4 सब्सट्रैक्ट करो 7 minus 4 प्रॉफिट इज 3 यहाँ पे सेम रो में प्रॉफिट 3 कहाँ पे है यहाँ पे ओके सो ये प्रॉफिट रहा ऊपर जाओ 3 ऊपर जाओ 0 so here you will keep in this second row only यहाँ पे 3 minus 3 करोगे तो प्रॉफिट 0 right once you reach to 0 you have to stop and use this select these two items 2 and 3 kg weight और सिंपल थिंग ये 7 आपको कहाँ से मिला जब आपने कैलकुलेट किया होगा 7 तब कहाँ से मिलता है ये 3 में आप 4 ऐड किया तभी आपको 7 मिला ना 5 kg ये वेट था राइट तो ये दोनों ऐड किया तभी 7 मिला ये 3 कहाँ से मिला यहाँ से so you have to backtrack this way fine
Yes, ma'am.
okay so these two items will be selected you will represent like this okay let's just a second okay let me take the example everyone has to solve this example see weight will be given that is 1 2 5 6 7 profit will be 1 6 18 22 28 and capacity of bag is 11 okay everyone quickly solve this example I'll give you 20-minute time within this time only you have to solve it And also you have to backtrack and find out which titles you will select. Okay, so I guess everyone has solved the example. Let me fill this table and just check your answers whether you are getting the correct answer or not. Now we just see here weight is 1, J is 1. So if your capacity of bag is 1 kg, then you are able to include this item. So profit will be 1. Now we just see here. अगर 2 kg का बैग है तब भी डाल सकते हैं, 3 kg का है तब भी डाल सकते हैं. So till 11 profit will be 1 1 1 1 1. Now in this row you will have 2 items with 1 kg 2 kg. Weight is 2 till 1 you will copy the above cell value. Okay. जब मेरे पास 2 kg का बैग है तब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, 1 kg का आइटम भी डाल सकती हूँ, 2 kg का भी आइटम डाल सकती हूँ. अगर 1 का डाला तो प्रॉफिट है 1, अगर 2 का डाला तो प्रॉफिट है 6. Which one is maximum? 6 is maximum. Now 3. बैग का कैपेसिटी 3 है तो मैं दोनों आइटम डाल सकती हूँ. Then profit will be what? 1 plus 6 7. अगर 3 में ये दोनों डाल सकती हूँ तो 4 में भी डाल ही सकती हूँ, 5 में भी डाल सकती हूँ. Till 11 I can put. So profit will be 7 7 7 7. Now next is 5. Till 4 you will copy the above cell value. 5 kg. तो मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है. 1 kg 2 kg का डाल सकती हूँ, टोटल 3 kg. प्रॉफिट विल बी 7. अगर सिंपली मैं 5 kg का डालूँ तो प्रॉफिट है 18. So what I will pick? 18. 6 kg. This 5 kg plus 1 kg. This will be 18 plus 1. It will be 19. 7 kg कहाँ से बना सकते हो? 5 kg plus 2 kg. It will be 7 kg. So it will be 24. 8 kg. All three items you have to include. 5, 2 and 3 kg. So 24 plus 1 that will be 25. It will be remain same for rest of the items. And next weight is 6 till 5. You will copy the above cell value. Okay, 6. अगर मैं 6 kg का आइटम डालती हूँ तब मेरे पास है प्रॉफिट 22. अगर मैं 5 plus 1 कर रही हूँ तब है प्रॉफिट 19. Which one is maximum? 22. For 7. 6 plus 1 it will be 22 plus 1 then 23. अगर मैं 5 plus 2 डाल रही हूँ then
24.
24. Which one is maximum?
24.
For 8. 6 plus 2, 22 plus 6, that will be 28, which is greater than 25. 9, 6 plus 3, 28 plus 21, now 29. Now it will be the same. For 11, 6 plus 5, it will be 40.
22 plus 18.
22 plus 18, it will be 40. For 7 till 6, you will copy the above cell value. Now 7 kg. अगर 7 kg का मैं डाल रही हूँ तब मेरे पास है ऑप्शन 28. ऊपर की वैल्यू का है 24 which is greater, so here 28. 7 plus 1 29. Then 7 plus 2 28 plus 6 34. 35 and here it is 40. So this is your answer. This is your entire table. You can look at it. Let us track this. This is 40. Above is 40. Okay, 40 minus profit is 22. 18. यहाँ पे 18 है. Yes, here it is. You will redirect your pointer here. This item is selected. Now 18. Above value is 18. 18 minus 18, it will be 0. So 0 is here. So you will select this item. So here we are having 1 item is not selected, 2 is not selected, 3, 4. Yes, it is selected, and 5 it is not selected. Profit is what? 5 plus 6, it equals 11. Profit is 18 plus 22, it will be 40. This is your maximum profit you can get. And item number 3 and 4 is not selected. That's why we have replaced with 1. Otherwise, all the other items are represented as 0. So I guess this topic is clear to everyone. Knapsack problem is clear? Yes or no? Tell me. अब ये समझ में आया कैसे कर रहे हैं? Yes or no? Write down in the chat box. Everyone.
No, ma'am.
कहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आया राहिल?
Ma'am, like फर्स्ट रो में 1 1 1 क्यों लिया?
सी बैग की कैपेसिटी मेरे पास 1 kg का था, तब मैं 1 kg का आइटम डाल सकती हूँ,
या
तो प्रॉफिट क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 1।
हाँ मैक्सिमम 1 मिलेगा।
हाँ, अगर 2 kg का बैग है उसमें भी 1 kg का आइटम तो मैं डाल ही सकती हूँ ना, तो प्रॉफिट क्या मिलेगा मुझे?
1
वन,
नहीं 2
राइट?
kgs
हियर
1 kg।
1। सी आपको यहाँ पे एक ही बार ये आइटम लेना है, मल्टीपल टाइम्स ये नहीं लेना है। एक आइटम दिया गया है, उसका वेट है 1 kg, अगर बैग का कैपेसिटी 1 kg का है तब हम ये डाल सकते हैं, 2 kg का है तब भी डाल सकते हैं, तो प्रॉफिट क्या मिल रहा है मुझे? 1, राइट?
या
सी यस राहुल।
यस
सो यू जस्ट सी, जब बैग का कैपेसिटी 3 kg का है तब भी मैं ये आइटम डाल सकती हूँ 1 kg का, यस और नो?
यस यस यू
प्रॉफिट क्या
कैन
मिलेगा मुझे? 1।
1
तो ये 11 तक जाएंगे तब भी हम डाल ही सकते हैं ना 1 kg का बैग, 1 kg का
यस वी
आइटम।
कैन।
यस, सो आइटम तो टोटल क्या मिलेगा प्रॉफिट? 11111।
ओके
Okay, otherwise what you will do, you will write down the formula, using formula you will solve it. Okay, you are having
ओके
the formula,
परफेक्ट।
using formula you write down all the steps and you can solve the answer. Okay
ओके
Palak,
परफेक्ट।
let me go back to your query. After backtracking, see, after backtracking we identify that item number 3 and 4 is selected, right? How we will represent it? So you just see, this is a set, right? Item number 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. As it is 0, 1 knapsack, you have to represent the solution via this. We have selected item 3 and 4, it will represent via 1, 1. For 1, 2, and 5, you will represent via 0. I have added 5 and 6 kg weight, that will be 11, and 11 plus 18 plus 22, it will be 40. So this is the total profit, and this one is the total capacity. Okay. Is it
Ma'am,
clear, Palak?
5 is 0.
Sorry?
Ma'am, why 5 is 0? Like 0, 0, 1, 1. Then afterwards, 1, it should be 1 instead of 0.
See this item number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. यहाँ पे item number 3 and 4 is selected. 5 is not selected.
Okay, yes.
1, 2 and 3, 5 is not selected. So that's why we will keep 0. Right? Now is it clear?
Ma'am, clear.
Okay, fine. So let me share the algorithm for this. Let us understand it. Okay. See, I कहाँ से start कर रहे हैं हम? 0 से लेके total n item. और J कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें? 0 से लेकर टोटल कैपेसिटी तक. ओके यस. जब I की वैल्यू 0 है, J की वैल्यू 0 है, you will put 0. If J is less than Wi, if J is less than weight, then you will copy the above cell value. Else you will find the maximum of above cell value, comma profit plus V of I minus 1, J minus Wi, and then you will return the last answer, that is the intersection of last row and last column. N and W. This is N, this is W. Answer is 40. You will return and you will print, and time complexity will be order of N W. Okay, so this is the algorithm you have to use. Okay, just you have to pass the profit, weights, capacity of bag, number of items in the program, write down the same logic and print the answer. That's it for the C program. Okay, I'll give you 15-minute time to do the C program for this topic. Quickly complete it, then tell me whether you are able to get the answer or not. Okay, then after I'll show you the code. So anyone completed the C program?
Yes. 1 minute. I can share as well.
Okay, so let me share my screen and explain the code, and then you verify whether you are getting the correct answer or not. Okay, so let's say this is my main program. Here we will start. First, I will provide the profit 60, 100, and 120. Weights will be 10, 20, and 30. Capacity of bag is 50. I will find out the number of elements using the size of function. I will print weight. I will print the answer. This is the written answer. Here I will call knapsack function. I will pass weight, capacity of bag, profit, and number of items. Let us create this knapsack function. Two variables will be there, I and j. We have to build the table. Let's say k. It is starting from 0, so we will take 0 plus 1, 0 to n. So this will be n plus 1, and w plus 1 will be the size. Fine. So this is the size of the table as we are starting from 0. I is starting from 0 to n, j is starting from 0 to w. We will check if I is equals to 0, j equals to 0, you will put 0. Else if weight of I minus 1. Now, why we have taken I minus 1? You just see in a program, whenever we solve the example, at 0th place we have written Wi and Vi. But at the time of program, what it will do, it will assign the weights and value to the 0th column only. So we have to take I minus 1 every time. And then you will find out the maximum of above cell value. This is the above cell value, comma. profit of that item plus Q of I minus 1, J minus WT of I minus 1. This is the formula. Else you will copy the above cell value and return, you will return what? K of n comma W. And if you want to find out the maximum value, you will use this function. You will check the condition. If A is greater than B, then it will return A, else return B using ternary condition. Let me run this program. So 220 is the answer, right? So as you can see here, 20 and 30, if we select this 2, then profit will be 220. If you select 10 and 20, profit will be 160. If you select 10 and 30, profit will be 180. So 220 is a maximum, as well as the capacity of bag is also 50. So this is how we can do the C program for this. So I guess this is clear to everyone. So you can complete your C program by yourself by looking at this. Now I guess it is clear to everyone. Fine. So let me wind up the session here. Today we have completed an abstract program with some example. 2 examples we have done, as well as we have seen the algorithm, and we have done the C program. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the session.